जब्बारी वल मुंतकिबिल ज़ालिमीन. With the name of Allah who takes revenge of oppressed people. With the name of Allah who punishes the oppressor. We are here to condemn the covert activity, killings of Shias in Lahore and Quetta and everywhere in Pakistan and in the world. As Maulana said, root of terrorism is in Saudi Arabia. We want United States of America, let the Saudi government know that no one is going to tolerate anymore the covert activities of terrorism in Pakistan and everywhere. We demand government of Pakistan to punish those who plan and train the suiciders and killers. Of course, who are suiciding, they are getting their own punishment. But due punishment is for those institutes who train this kind of terrorists and suiciders. They are sitting in the assemblies. They are sitting in the senates. Kick them out from the Senate and Assembly. Kick them out from the government. Government of Punjab is guardian of Sipahi Sahaba. Sharif Biradran are promoters of Wahhabism. Sharif Biradran are the result of Ziaul Batil Lanatullahi alayh. We want central government of Pakistan take notice of the statement of Rahman Malik, the stupid statement he delivered yesterday. He says why the Shias are not getting out of these processions, that they will be safe. Who the hell you are telling us we are the followers of Ahlul Bayt? We will prefer to be killed. We'll never stop the procession of Azad.
Get rid of Rahman Malik! 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 Get rid of Rahman Malik!
Sanaullah, who is basically Sana'ul Shaitan, as Abdul Rahman ibn Muljam was Abdul Shaitan ibn Muljam. By the name you cannot evaluate any person. Name is nothing, character is the thing. Sanaullah has no right to call Ludhianvi the worst terrorist as Maulana. Maulana is the respected name of noble people, not people like terrorists like Ludhianvi Lanatullahi alayh. Yesterday on TV he was saying he is a respected man. If the killers are respected, if the Abdul Rahman ibn Muljam is respected, if the Muawiyah ibn Abi Sufyan is respected, if the Yazid is respected, so who should be insulted? We have to draw a line between the Husseini Muslim and so-called Yazidi Muslim. We are here to let the mass media know, the ethnic and local media know, the Consulate General and Government in Pakistan know, the United Nations know, because I have some of the representatives of United Nations right here. I want to let them know that you cannot stop the procession of Azadari. You cannot stop the love of Amirul Mu'mineen. You cannot stop the Azaa of Hussein ibn Ali. You cannot take from our hearts out the love of Prophet. We will prefer to be killed, but we will never show our hatred about Ahlul Bayt. We are the promoters of Ahlul Bayt. Islam is the religion of peace. Saudi Arab is training and defaming Islam by the training of suicidals and killers. We condemn Osama bin Laden. We condemn Mullah Umar. We condemn Sipahi Sahaba. We condemn Lashkar-e-Jhangvi. We condemn Jaish-e-Muhammad. We condemn Al-Qaeda. We condemn Taliban of Pakistan. We condemn every terrorist. We want to let United Nations know this is the community who were being tortured and killed for 14 centuries, but they did not leave the path of their imams alone. Up to the day of judgment, inshallah, we will show our sympathy to the progeny of Ahlul Bayt. In the month of Ramadan, which is the month of tolerance, month of charity, month of patience, month of worshipping, 14 centuries ago, Abdul Rahman ibn Muljam kills Imam Ali. And today in 1431st Hijrah, so-called suicidals are killing the Azadaran of Ali ibn Abi Talib. It does mean Bani Umayyah exists today and the followers of Ahl Bayt exist today as well. This is the open forum, open field. Inshallah, we will defeat them. We will be successful, inshallah. Please unite yourself. We have a lot of demands. We are going right after the procession. We will go into the Consulate General and we will demand release our innocent, imprisoned Shias who did not do anything. Release our awqaf, which government is taking. Billion dollar property of Shias. Central government has it. Have judges in the Wafaqi Shariat Court from the Shia community. We do not have enough representatives in Islamic Ideology Council. We need in our all institutes, we need the representation, and we do not appeal, we always demand. Thank you very much.